Good afternoon, everybody, or good morning, good night. I don't know when you're watching this video, but welcome to How To with Peach, where I'm going to be explaining today how you store your live streams on Twitch, aka the Purple app. So first, you have to understand this must be done on a desktop version. It cannot be done via your cell phone or mobile. Once you're here, you need to make sure you are signed in. You will click your name here on the top right, scroll down to your creator dashboard. Once you're in the creator dashboard, you will come over to the far left. This is a navigation. It may automatically be open for you, but if you do come to your creator dashboard and it is not open because you may have hidden the navigation. So to show the navigation, just come back up here where it says home, click the three lines, and it will show your creator dashboard. So now to be able to store your lives, come over to settings, hit the drop down, click on stream. Once you're here, you will come over to where it says VOD settings and stream rewind. You want to make sure where it says store past broadcast, this toggle is purple. So I already store mine, so mine is already checked. If yours is not checked, make sure you toggle it over so that way it is shown purple. Depending on your status will determine how long you can store your broadcast for. I'm still new to Twitch. So mine only save for 7 days. If you're an affiliate, it is 14 days. And if you are a partner, it is 60 days. Keep in mind, if you do play music that can be giving you copyright strikes, it will not be able to be heard within the playbacks of the stored podcast. So playing music is fine. You're people that can hear it during the live, but going back and rewatching that live, the music cannot be heard. Hopefully this information was helpful to you. And if you enjoyed it and it was able to help you, make sure you subscribe and like the channel. And I will be coming back soon with more content to help you guys in the future. Y'all be blessed and have a good day.